In this video, I will show you step by step how we make $500 per day with affiliate marketing using free traffic. I will share with you guys which affiliate links I'm promoting. I will share with you how do I use free traffic without investing any money in paid ads and so much more, okay? And in the month of March, from the first day of March until the last day of March 31, I made $15,250 in commission. So it's almost like $500 per day, okay, or even more. I will click on update so you guys can make sure it's not fake. And as you can see, the numbers are still the same numbers. This is my affiliate account dashboard, okay? It's not screenshot like other people are showing you, okay? And as you can see over here in my balance, I have $3,120 available. I will still get more commission in next few days, and of course it can be like up to 10k, 12 or 11k this month again. So anyways, for people who want to start making money with affiliate marketing and they don't know exactly how to start, which affiliate links you promote, how you can use free traffic, this video is for you. I will share all the methods that I'm using for free, okay? So let's get started. So first, what you need to do first, you need to go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address to this website. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, okay? And you should have an account like this one with Fiverr, okay? So you just need to come to this page and scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate marketing, okay? What you need to do, just click on join now, and here you go. You will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. So you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private, okay? Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language. Go over here, and if you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next, and that's it. Answer next few questions. It's super easy. So after you finish, this will be your home page, okay? And you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates, okay? So what you need to do next is you need to choose a good and profitable services that you will promote on YouTube. We will use YouTube to promote our affiliate links for free using free traffic, okay? So what you will do to find and choose good and profitable services, open your YouTube homepage like this, okay? Go to your YouTube homepage like this. And so why I choose to promote my affiliate links on YouTube? Because YouTube has 32 billion monthly visitors. Millions of people every single day are searching for specific services, products, uh, and so much more on YouTube, okay? And you can get so much traffic from YouTube, okay? If you do it correctly, if you follow those steps, you can make so much money with affiliate marketing using free traffic from YouTube, okay? 32 billion monthly visitors, this number is enough. It's really big. I don't need to explain more, okay? Because YouTube is the second largest search engine after Google. You should know that Google is number one and YouTube is number two, okay? So you can get so much traffic from YouTube. So just open your YouTube homepage like this and click on the search and ask question. So let's ask, for example, let's say how to learn, and here you go. YouTube will give you a lot of topics that people are searching for. This is report search prediction, okay? People are searching for how to learn French, how to learn German, how to learn trading, how to learn Spanish, okay? Let's take this topic for example. I will go back to my to my Fiverr homepage like this. Click on the search for Spanish teacher, okay? Search for Spanish teacher, because those people who are searching for how to learn Spanish, they will be interested to buy this service and learning Spanish, okay? From Spanish teacher. So here you go. You will find a lot of sellers here who are providing this service. So what you will do next, you need to choose a good seller. So choose like level 1 seller, top rated seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. If people click on your affiliate link, they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. So for example, I will choose this seller, he is level 2 seller, he has 5 star, a lot of reviews. I will click on his service, okay? You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. He has 30 orders in queue, a lot of reviews. I will be your Spanish teacher. It's really good. Let's check this one to see. So it's really looking good, okay? He made a video explaining his service, okay? So what you will do next, you will copy, let me show you.
Hola a todos, soy Daniela, soy colombiana y estas son las 10 razones por las que deberías tomar clases de español conmigo. Número 1. Soy una persona muy...
So what you will do next, you will copy this seller profile link like this and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click over here and put this seller profile link here. Click over here again and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do next, you need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube. Before we do that, you need to go to Google and search for Canva. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and it's for free, of course. So this will be your home page. Click on video. You will be directly in this page over here. Click on upload. Click on upload. So after you click on upload, go back to your Fiverr, to this seller Fiverr profile page, okay? About Spanish teacher.
paciente y carismática y esto nos va a ayudar a formar mejores conversaciones. Además, me considero una persona muy...
So this teacher can teach people who are interested to learn Spanish language. So what you will do, you will double click on this video and click on save video. Okay, you need to save this video to your laptop. I will name it Spanish. Okay, and go back to your Fiverr, to your Canva home page like this, to this profile page. Click over here on upload file and upload this video, okay, about Spanish teacher. Open and your video will be over here. Click on your video and your video will be over here. Click on these 3 points. Click on set video as background and here you go. Click on text. Scroll down. Choose which text style you want to use. For example, I will use this one. Just click on the text style and your text will be over here like this. I will delete the second one and decrease the font size of your text and put your text here. Double click on your text and write this sentence. Check link in my description. Okay, we will put our affiliate link in our YouTube description and here you go. Put this title here, go to elements and scroll down, click over here on ship and click on color, choose black color and put this ship behind your text like this. Okay, and here you go. Check link in my description. Let's see.
Hola a todos, soy Daniela, soy colombiana y estas son las 10 razones por las que deberías tomar clases de español conmigo. Número 1. Soy una persona muy paciente.
So this seller is explaining his service and he is really speaking Spanish very good, as you can see. So people who are searching for how to learn Spanish, okay, they will be interested to buy this service. A lot of people will be interested to buy this service and learning Spanish language from this seller. Okay, so what you will do after you finish your video, click on share, click on download, and this video will be downloaded to your laptop. Go to your YouTube channel, open your YouTube channel. It's super easy to create a YouTube channel and it will take just few minutes. Okay, after you finish, upload this video to your YouTube channel and use this title. Okay, how to learn Spanish language. Okay, you can add language, how to learn Spanish language. Okay, use the same title. You should use those keywords that people are using to search for those topics. Okay, so your video can be, so people can find your video in the search results. Okay, in your YouTube description, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, copy your affiliate link from here or from here. If you don't have this Fiverr CPA old plan, because I have old Fiverr affiliate account, so for you, you should see this Fiverr Pro new plan. Copy your affiliate link from here, it's almost the same, and put your affiliate link in your YouTube description, and that's it. Start promoting those services that people are searching for on YouTube. Search for services related to those topics that people are searching for on YouTube and start promoting those for free. And you can make a lot of money with affiliate marketing using free traffic. This is the methods that I'm using. I grow my YouTube channels. I started promoting affiliate links. I have been doing this business for almost like 3 years. Okay, so if you do it correctly, you can make so much money with this method. Okay, for people who don't know exactly how to upload this video to your YouTube channel, how to put affiliate link in your YouTube description, I will leave in my description below link about a video that will show you step by step how you can do it. So check it, guys, and follow those steps, and that's it. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next video.